starter motor is the unsung hero that brings your engine to life. But what exactly is it? A starter motor is a small but powerful DC electric motor that cranks the internal combustion engine and kicks off the combustion process. In short, without the starter motor, your engine wouldn't start by itself. Back in the day, people had to manually crank engines to get them going. But with the starter motor, it's all done with the turn of a key or a push of a button, and it all happens in milliseconds. The starter motor delivers high torque, even at low RPM, meaning it can quickly get your engine up to speed. So the next time you jump in your car, take a moment to appreciate the starter motor. It might not be as flashy as some other components, but it's definitely one of the most important.
Studio microphone. This diagram shows all key parts of a starter motor, from the solenoid to the armature and pinion gear in action. So now we will open actual starter motor to show you all internal components and explain their functions. First, at top, this is our solenoid. At front there is a starter gear. And at back of it there is a starter motor. Now first use WD-40 on all nuts and screws to remove their rust. It will make easier for us to unscrew them. Now we will remove solenoid nuts and screws. After removing nuts, we will remove black wire which is connected to motor from solenoid. Now we will remove these two screws to dismantle our solenoid. After dismantling solenoid, you will see a plunger, and there will be a plunger spring which will be placed under the plunger, and it will help plunger to push back the pinion or starter gear. Inside the solenoid you will see a shift lever. Shift lever is also called fork lever or engagement lever. It is small but has crucial part inside the starter motor. It is controlled by solenoid and it push pinion gear to forward to mesh with the engine flywheel when starter is activated. After this we will open motor. It cranks the engine to turn the engine flywheel so engine can bring combustion process on its own. After motor nuts and screws are removed, now we will dismantle motor frame. Inside it you will see a planetary gear system. This gear system helps increasing torque while reducing the speed of starter motor. It allows a smaller motor to generate enough force to crank the engine efficiently. There are small gear inside it. Now we will place it back to their positions. And there is a ball, you should place it in the middle of gears. Now we will dismantle the motor itself. Inside it you will see a brush holder assembly. This holds the brushes in their places, and these brushes are essential for transferring electrical current to rotating armature. After that you will see armature placed at the center of motor and is surrounded by magnets. The armature is a rotating part that generates torque when current flows through it inside the magnetic field. Now I am going to assemble all the parts one by one. Here you can see how each component fitted to make the motor function. Proper assembly is important for smooth operation.